Okay. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. And first aid myself. So first of all, we have come here. You can see that, and right now we're gonna talk about another topic. So actually, I have been making videos since for 2 months, maybe 2 or 3 months, and I'm trying to upload my video in my page. But recently I don't make video properly, so that's why this purpose I can't upload my video every day. So that's why actually, you know that I don't have any sufficient time, so that's why actually, and also during the class time I didn't get any chance to make video, so that's why actually it is my practicing time. So I thought that okay, in the between time, if I make video, I think it will be better for my speaking level and also my audience. So you know that, yeah, first of all I'm going to talk about this. First of all, you right now you are saying that you are watching this video and you are saying that behind next to my Minhajul Abidin, he's from Chattogram. Okay, so actually I'm really enthusiastic. That is, today, just right now, I will listen his own language. So are you interested to?
Yeah, obviously, why not?
Oh, okay. So okay, first of all, I'm trying to make one sentence in English, and you have to translate with Bangla and your own language.
Local language.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Chittagong language.
Yeah, it's not a Chittagong language. It's one kind of country, I think. But people always told me that you also Sileti language also is one kind
You
of
don't know,
language.
in our country, second largest city, Chittagong city.
Wow.
Yeah. Also,
Yeah, previously
only
we
in
had
our
this
country,
many
only
facts about.
one port, this port stay our Chittagong.
Okay.
So we are very lucky.
Oh. Okay, sorry for saying that one person actually is one kind of our behind
Door.
and also, yeah, this is door and behind
Also studio.
and the door is one kind of studio. Okay, so that's why one person interrupt and disturb us. No problem. We have to manage. Okay, so Minhaj,
Yes.
as you wish, you can share your own language as you wish.
Okay, everyone. English language. I want to try to English and our local language compare. Everyone, you can say any English word. I will
Okay.
try my local language.
Okay. I have been making video for 2 months. 2 months.
Yeah, I have been making video for 2 months.
2 months.
2 মাস ধরে আমরা ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি,
Yeah.
right? Is our as like in our country main language,
Yeah.
but our local language is called 2 মাস ধরে আমরা ভিডিও বানাই. You can understand?
No, I
2 মাস ধরে আমরা ভিডিও বানাই.
Can I try?
Okay, you can try.
2 মাস ধরে আরা ভিডিও বানাই।
বানাই।
বানাই or বানাই?
বানাই.
Banar. Oh my god, what types of language this actually?
Oh my, is a very
Guys,
clever
if you
boy.
wanna know,
Today
if you-
our topic was present perfect continuous. That's why he asked me imply to present perfect
No,
continuous.
I understand, but Banar is one kind of language. Which type country's language this? If you wanna know, you
Banar
can,
means
you can
make,
comment
make.
below.
Yeah.
Comment below. Okay. So
Okay,
I'm
you can
trying-
share your local language.
No,
This
actually,
sentence.
our local language is totally different. But you know that I don't belong that like Sileti main culture. Like we are another like Bangladesh. I'm from Hobbygonj. Okay, so our language is totally different. Sometimes it's like as like modern language or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes we change.
But I heard also Sileti language some different. As
different.
They are
But I'm
food
not.
meal.
No, yes, I know, but I'm not used to this type of language. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay, so
another.
if I talk about right now you translate this language,
Yes.
translate this sentence that ara tomar what?
I also want video.
What was the
আমরা 2 মাস ধরে ভিডিও বানাই.
ara 2 মাস ধরে video বানাই.
বানাই।
So our language is
We have been making video since 2 months.
for 2 months.
Sorry, for 2 months.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Actually, for our sense, why they are used for or why wasn't used since. Okay, next video we'll try a topic. We'll try take this topic.
Hey guys,
and make
if you
video.
don't mind, I always H's and sevens. When use sense, when use for. I probably teach you
Okay, I
class.
will teach you. No problem.
Okay,
Next time.
is my
Yes.
beautiful teacher.
Okay, and okay.
Someone
our
call is
language-
my girlfriend.
no, we are best friend. Okay.
Yeah, obviously.
So right now I'm trying to translate this sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. First one is actually I totally forget Bangla. okay.
Bangla and your
Yeah.
local language.
Yeah. Okay. আমরা 2 মাস ধরে ভিডিও বানাই
Similar.
সিমিলার অলরেডি
Oh, okay. But our local language is
বানাই
different.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, another word. Can go another.
Okay, so another word I'm gonna talk about one sentence that is okay. I will be like I will be playing with my friends.
Okay. I will be playing with my friends.
I will be playing in football with my friends.
Okay. আর বন্ধুর লয় খেলা খেলতে দেখুন
Say again.
Sorry, not I will be.
Okay.
আর বন্ধুর লয় খেলা ফুটবল খেলা খেলতে দেখুন
Okay. First of all, you may translate part by part. Like
Okay.
I will be. This means
Yeah,
this time
I will be, yeah. I will be ara, not ara. I will be ami.
Ami. Okay.
I will be ami means I.
Okay.
I will be then I will be
I
be playing
will be playing.
খেলা I will be playing football খেলা খেলতে দেখুন playing
With my
with my friends. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Actually, house
It's not good house.
I আর বন্ধুর লয় খেলা খেলতে দেখুন বন্ধুর লয়
বন্ধুর
with
লয়।
with
Oh.
বন্ধুর লয়
Okay, so if I translate my own language, that is, আমি আমার বন্ধুর সাথে খেলতে থাকবো
সাথে না লগে maybe.
সাথে লগে as your wish
Okay.
খেলতে থাকবো
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, we need common word. It's very difficult.
It's not difficult.
Not difficult, but
Sorry.
our guys, they don't understand this about because we are some hospitals. So you can guess. আমি তাকে মারতে থাকবো. I will beating him. Okay. I will beating him.
With bamboo.
Yeah. I will beating him.
Okay.
Our local language called তারা মারতে থাকবো.
Oh my
I
God.
তারা
Hey,
মারতে থাকবো.
I think it's totally difficult. Actually, sorry, Chattogram language is totally difficult. Better than English. Okay, those
Yes,
are very
yes.
interested to me.
But
Those are very
right
interested
now-
to learning this type of sentence, this type of language. You can contact with my friends.
But
That is
no,
because of that. And
because-
after that, after completing this video, I will comment in below in this video.
I have forgotten my local language because last 3 months I spend time with a lot of English speaker.
Yeah.
It's like my left side, my next to one fluently English
No,
speaker.
I don't.
Yeah, in our institute, totally haram. It's like haram is English word. Sorry, it's Arabic word. Totally haram Bangla. That's why.
Sometimes sometimes we talk with Chinese, Russians.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, right now we are able to speak English.
No, we are able to speak English, but there's something wrong with our sentence.
Yes,
That
yes.
if you wanna fluent speaker as like native speaker, not actually it's not possible. It's possible, but you have to spend lots of time in your behind your English language. Okay.
Yes.
So. Without time, it's not possible to get your fluency as like native speaker. So, but we have to try. Okay.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, it's possible, and learning English is a continuous process, and right now you are learning English. And if I say you Minhas, okay, you are learning English since for 2 months, not 2 months, 3 months. Okay, after 3 months, you can stop your language just 1 month, and after 1 month you will understand that what is your position, what will be your position. Okay?
Yes.
So a single month, not a month, a single day, you have to practice and as well as listening. Actually, listening connected with speaking.
It's obviously.
So how many how many time? How many time you listen per day?
per day. Okay.
Yeah, can you share?
2 months ago, I was listening per day 2 hour, 3 hour. But right now, I have not sufficient time. That's why I
because
try.
you're busy.
Yeah, because last month a lot of lesson our main teacher taught us and gave us. So a lot of also homework. So every day I try to, when I get free time, that time I try to listening. And right
Specific,
now,
you can-
yes, 1 hour every day.
1 hour.
1 hour. But
Oh my God.
my one problem I want to share with you, when I am listening any broadcast, any speech,
Podcast.
yeah. That time, 10 minutes later, I feel sleep.
Yeah,
My
it's not
bed,
only your
my
problem,
bed,
it's also
my
our
bed,
problem.
my bed is call me. Hey, Mihas, come. You should sleep.
You should sleep.
It's high time to sleep.
You're devil. You also one kind of devil. Okay, so no, it's not only your problem, it's our problem.
Yeah.
I really suggest you, if you wanna listen, actually listen is one kind of another topic. Like right now, without understand, if you are listen, it's not good.
Yeah,
good way for your
listening
listen. Okay,
is input.
input, and
and
you can try
output.
to output. Okay, and another one is next to the topic is, okay, someone, and I'm also previous time I'm also like try to listening. Actually, I thought that, oh, no problem, I just listen, and after that maybe it will be better for my speaking level. But it's totally wrong, because of, if you're able to listen 10 times, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's enough for better than 1 hour, 2 hours without understand. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to listen with
Attentively.
understand attentively. 10 minutes, 20 minutes is enough for you. But if any person listen 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 hours without attentively, without understand, it's not possible. You have to try to understand whatever they learn, whatever they talk about this matter, which
Yes,
type of
yes.
matter. Okay, so that is the main topic, and
And also first time you can watch this type video with subtitle.
subtitle.
Yeah, it's very helpful. us.
But as beginner, we need subtitle.
Subtitle.
And day by day, when you will understand that, yeah, right now, no need to subtitle.
Subtitle.
I'm capable to understand without subtitles, and after that, you can try.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. And right now we are beginners, so we have speaking like pronunciation problem, accent problem. But I think accent or pronunciation, we have to emphasizing on it. Otherwise, not possible. When any person actually, some people, or I saw that lots of grammatical teacher, they are really good at in grammar, but they can't able to speak English properly, because of they aren't speak English properly, because what is the problem. And also another one is really someone really good at English.
Yes,
but
yes.
his pronunciation and also his talking style is not good, speaking style not good. So it's one kind of awkward. It's
Yeah.
listen is awkward, meaning awkward. So that's why you just know something, little bit grammar or sentence or like word. But if you are able to speak with pronunciation, good pronunciation, it will be better than another people. Okay.
Yes, obviously.
So always I'm trying to actually really.
Is it true?
Yeah, is it true? You can say true. True. It's not a true. True.
Yes. True.
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 Are silent. If you
Are silent.
focus, British accent. True.
Yeah,
but I don't have any sufficient knowledge about British accent, but I will try.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. True. Okay. So what's your opinion? Actually, you can share with me.
Who is about?
Which about means actually I have also problem. You have also problem. So which type of problem you are suffering?
Yeah,
You can
I
share.
always suffering this problem. One problem is mumbling problem. Is I don't know. Is maybe my bone problem. When I use any speaking English, any word that cannot properly delivery, I cannot deliver it properly. As like D, A, B, C, D.
D.
Yeah, is my problem.
Okay.
But it's possible to solve this problem. I need maybe as like book up exercise.
Book up exercise.
Yeah, book up
Tongue
exercise,
twister.
and at the time I can practice tongue twister. Or some teacher suggest me you should morning time book up exercise, and also in English language, speak English language. If you want properly pronunciation delivery, you should also include exercise, vocab exercise.
Yeah.
Our body, if I want our body position good, so I need also exercise, good exercise. But if you need English speakers, speak English pronunciation good, so you also need vocab exercise.
Oh,
It's
yes,
included.
yes. Oh, it's
So
totally,
yeah, it's very important.
Important topic,
Yeah,
yeah.
important. Is when if you wake up in early in the morning, that time you can spend all 20 minutes for vocab exercise. It's very important, and also it's very helpful us.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Actually it's really important for speaking good at speak delivery. And also, you know, mummy problem is one kind of, yeah, it's actually it's like it's all person they're suffering these problems.
Yes.
Common thing. And another one is, if any person remove this their mummy problem, they should try to practice, like, you can, yeah, they should practice a tongue twister. Actually, tongue twister is really important for mumming problem, right? And
Yeah.
you told me that you share me that you have problem that is D sound.
Yeah, this sound. Yes.
You know, previous time I practiced tongue twister, but you didn't practice. So I know your
previous time. I couldn't know
Yeah.
tongue twister. When I start my English journey, after that I saw tongue twister.
Actually, I'm share with you one story. First of all, when I was learning beginner
Right now,
from beginner.
or video
Yeah, okay,
duration?
2 minutes. I just need 2 minutes from you.
Okay.
When I was beginner from beginner side, at that time actually my teacher gave me some tongue twister, and I am always try to speak, learn tongue twister and practice tongue twister, and some of the
Please, twister tongues, please share with me.
lots like a couple a pair of paper pairs the pair the past but the passion to put in the power which are the part of in the paper. And another one is, it's totally big. Okay, so without practice not possible to achieve. Okay,
Okay.
another is top cup cup top, top cup cup top, top cup cup top, top. Okay, this type of songs, this type. But you know, if someone don't don't about this matter, don't have any specific knowledge about this matter, they're just thinking, oh my god, he may be going to math. And some of my like,
When I was reading this tongue twister, oh my god, I said, what are we doing?
what I am doing.
Yeah, what I'm doing. Mr. Tongue Twister. First
Yes.
time I saw Tongue Twister,
And, you know,
2 months ago.
And my teacher told me that you have to make video. You may make video with tongue twister, and I think it will be better, and it will be actually really good. And someone, my friend, they are just thinking, oh my god, son is going to be mad because of its sounds awkward. Okay,
Yes.
so that's why. Okay, so right now I can't.
After
watch this
finishing
video.
course, sometime I was thinking, after finishing course, I will go my house. That time, if I will practice tongue twister, everyone will
Your
think,
neighbors, yeah.
everyone will thinking he has got mad. My parents, they will maybe thinking, I have paid only for
Lots of money.
maybe 50k plus, but
Okay, no.
I have got one mate.
Okay, so I can't watch this video. People, so guys, you are watching this video. If you are like this video, really like this video, if you are thinking that it's really important and also is really important for your speaking level, and also we are actually, it's one kind of podcast. You can take-
Also practice.
yeah, also practice. So if you like this video, please like, and if you are really like this video, comment on below. Is your actually your romanticism. Okay, so assalamualaikum, be optimistic, ya dialogue.
Yeah, no need to compare anyone.
Okay, yes, assalamualaikum.